Meaning of granule.
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 Granule. The term granule refers to a small, compact mass or particle. This can refer to a variety of materials, including food, pharmaceuticals, and minerals. Granules are typically produced by compressing or compacting the material into a solid mass, which can then be broken down or dissolved as needed. The term is often used in the context of medication, where granules may be used to make pills or capsules easier to swallow, or to control the rate at which the medication is released in the body. Overall, granules are a common form of material processing in many industries.